Hello everyone, in this video I wanna show you how a multi-state button can be used in Ignition Designer software. It's a button that can display more than two states, for example on, off, paused. Each state can have a unique appearance, such as different colors or text. It's commonly used to represent systems with multiple modes or status, and can interact with tags to change values based on the selected state. The video is simple and easy to follow, so go ahead and watch it to learn how a multi-state button can be used. I hope you enjoyed the video.